Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Just like the title said, we are blowing our videos with the use of InShot. So yeah, let's get right into it. First thing you need to do is to import your video into InShot. Afterwards, click on Effect, then tap on the AI effect. Scroll till you see the section of blur and tap on Gloss. Just by using the values code, you can adjust how much blur effect you require for the video. This is me enhancing the quality of the video. And then what you want to do is to extend the blur effect to the end of the video so that the effect can be applied to the entire video. This was how the video looked like when we just imported it, and this is how it looks like after the effect has been applied. Just click the save button, export it into your device. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.